Why is it always war with you?
What?
I said, why is it always war with you?
I know, right?
Isn't it so cool? I thought we were going to see an air show. This is a real air show. You're welcome. This is the Battle of Wake Island. It's where the Allied forces got their asses whooped. That's terrible. I know. It's really cool. Can we go now? Fine, you big baby.
This is much nicer. So, where is this anyway? Pearl Harbor. Oahu, Hawaii. December 7th, 1941. That is to say, if you inputted it all correctly. Right?
Oh. Whoops.
Damn it.